Hey, what's up, y'all? So just making a little video, hopefully to help people out there. I didn't see many videos online, but pretty much I'm changing out the outer door handle for a 2002 Acura RSX. And I'm pretty sure this is gonna be the same process between the 2002s and 2006s on base model and Type S, right? So like I said, I didn't see much content, but I don't have the pull out process because I was sitting there trying to figure it out myself, but I will show y'all pretty much essentially how it goes so that it makes the process to take it out a little bit easier, and putting it back all together be easy as well. So once you're initially looking at it, you got your outside door handle, because I'm swapping mine out. Okay, that's the old busted one. This is a brand new one. I spray painted. But you have your door handle here, which goes on the outside of the door. Okay, now if you look at it, you got the door handle off, you'll see there's like a bracket. This bracket is what's holding it in place. So you do have two screws, 1, 2, which goes here and on the other side. It's kind of blurry, but it also has a bracket. Now the way this bracket is put together on here is it's the door handle bracket, and then it's the door lock that goes inside of here. The door lock, and you have your retaining clip for the door lock, and you have this other piece, which is, I imagine, for when you unlock the door, that goes right in here, and then it also has its own individual clip. Okay, so when this is all put together, essentially to get the whole door handle out, first you have to start with this clip. So of course the rods and everything is going to be connected, the rod here and the rod here when you pull open the door and once you unlock the door. So you take those rods out and retaining clips. You can leave the screws in or you can take them out, doesn't matter. But the next thing you want to do is look for this C clip. Like I said, it's going to be right around here. Now what I did, I used 2 screwdrivers. I used the smaller one to kind of pop it out, but I used this bigger one to give me leverage because I do have to get in here to the inside. So I used this one that's had leverage on it, so I used this one kind of pop it back, and then the second one to get underneath it and come out with it. Once it pops that off, then you can remove out this part. Take that part out, put it to the side, put it to the side with the clip, and then the next thing you're going to do is take off this retaining clip. Now this retaining clip is going to be underneath here, underneath this bracket. It's going to go into place. I'm not going to put it into place now, but it goes into place right here. And basically what that one's for is it holds in the actual door lock. So once you're going to take it out, when this is attached to the door, if you kind of look right in between here, you should be able to see the top of the retaining clip. You should see like this little hook part right here. You can use your screwdriver to like knock that down. Once you knock it down enough, then you use a screwdriver from the bottom to kind of get under it, because what you want to do is make it enough to where you can use, say, your needle nose and just grab it and just rip it out of there. But after you do that, then you're going to take your screwdriver again just to get underneath of it and pop it out from the actual door. So you just come under here and you're going to just pry back on it, and that'll pop the bracket out, and then from there you just take the door handle out. Same process, just put it all back together the same way. I'm in the process of putting it back on there now. So take the door lock out. So first thing I'm gonna do is slide the door in. I'm gonna slide the door handle in, and then I'm gonna follow it with this bracket on the inside of the door, and that's what's gonna hold it. And I'm gonna put in the door lock, the retaining clip, and then put in this second part with its C clip. Okay, but I just figured I'll make this. I hope it helps everybody, because I know it did take me a minute to actually figure everything out. But have fun.